So what you got for us this week?
Hello, I'm Ted and welcome to my world of modelling and make-believe. In the last couple of months I've been having a lot of fun making small models with a sporting theme. I started with the fisherman, and then I followed that up with the, what was it, the hunter. Now you've already seen those.
Yeah.
So this is the third one, and this is the golfer. Hope you like it. So we'll just...
Is he playing his shot now?
So this is the golfer bet, just lining up his shot, hoping for a hole in one. Just lining it up now. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I didn't say that we've got a few problems on the golf course with animals. The problem continues.
Technical problems.
No, this problem. Rabbits and foxes.
I didn't know that happened. So the fox chasing the hare.
What do you call it, hare then? I'll call it a rabbit. Did you see the rabbit reacting to the...
I missed that.
Yeah. But, yeah. But, every time he's about to take his shot, this little chap pops up now. I'm wondering what's going on. Little cheeky squirrel.
Did you carve that, the squirrel?
No, I'll show you how I did that in a minute. There's the one down there, look. Of course, once all that happens, it disturbs everybody else. What do you think? Bit different?
It's just, yeah, it's nice. Interesting automata. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
I have a lot of fun making these actually. Just trying to come up with something a bit different and making an idea work. But the idea with the squirrel, that was just an afterthought really. But
yeah. So did you bought that squirrel? I'm going to say you didn't carve it, did you?
I'll tell you what I made everything. This was an afterthought, but then I thought, what I did with that, I got some half-inch dowel. Well, first of all, I got a little plastic squirrel. I drilled a hole straight through the middle.
Yeah.
And then centred the drill on a piece of dowel. Put the dowel on the top and the bottom. So it would actually follow some 50mm copper tube.
Yeah.
So it's almost completely, when it's in there, so you've got no idea what's going to happen. But the squirrel actually follows the line of the tube. So I think it works a treat.
Yeah, it works well, doesn't it?
I could never have made carved anything that small.
Yeah, I thought it looked a bit intricate.
Yeah. I just adapted it smartly. Do you like the golfer?
Is he modelled on anyone?
Well, no. But I did put him some traditional +4s, you know, and the got the socks. Yeah.
Who's he?
No one in particular.
Was it Payne Stewart he used to wear? He used to have socks like that, didn't he?
That was the traditional golf,
was it?
Wasn't it? +4s, yeah. And the colourful socks and everything else.
Yeah.
But yeah, I liked it. Now with the tree, I get just a little bit of sense of depth with just plywood.
Just layered plywood.
Cut the depth of plywood, you say. And that's a bit of aluminium. The trunk is aluminium.
Yeah.
And that's just stuck around it basically. This foliage, I couldn't quite come up with an idea to finish because the ends have to come off to make sure everything works.
Yeah.
So do you know those balls of foliage just outside people's houses?
Oh yeah, the plastic topiary
They're only
thing.
3 or 4 quid, so I just put one of those bought, and there's loads of foliage. And I've only took half the bulb to do all of that.
Yeah.
So I think it's just a nice way to finish it off.
Yeah, yeah, it does.
Now the back, the wall following the hair. All that is. I'll just whip this out. So all that cell, there's a bit of aluminium.
The whole thing's aluminium. The
Yeah.
hair, everything.
Oh, that's a bit of mild steel actually. But now they just follow the groove.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah.
and that's the same with the fox. They just follow the groove. Now they're joined together. In the garden centres, for tying up the plants, you buy these rolls of 3 for a quid.
Yeah.
Velcro sticks to it. So, although with this I did put a little bit of yarn in it just to make sure. And then you just basically pull them together like this, you see. And that just follows the groove. That's how I pulled it through like that. Inside there. It always has to follow the same path, you see.
Yeah. Simple idea,
So it's a
often the
simple
best.
idea,
Isn't
but I
it?
think it looks quite nice.
Yeah, yeah, it
I
does.
think kids would have a lot of fun doing that. So that's it basically. It's just fun out actually, and of course that's where the balls finish up, look. From that hole,
Yeah.
that's where they finish up. See look.
Yeah.
So just
yeah.
a ramp down there. Yeah, that's it.
Very
A
nice.
lot of fun to make and interesting and colourful. But I've nearly finished another one actually. Now the fourth one I'll show you next Thursday. It's a couple of boxers engaged in the noble art boxing.
Yeah.
So nearly finished that. So that'll be a bit more totally different from this anyway. So I hope you've enjoyed that. And so until next Thursday, then I'll say bye for now.